Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya, and if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all, as y'all can hear by my voice, girl, I'm going through it. Send help immediately. I seen that y'all been liking my scrap yarn projects. I just had to come put y'all on and give y'all some ideas, give y'all some little 1-2s so y'all can use up them scraps that y'all got, because I know y'all got them big bags of scraps in that closet, in that Walmart bag, boo. I don't know how many projects that I have in this Pinterest board, but I'm about to put y'all on because I love a good scrap project. Love it down. I've been making a lot of scrap stuff, and I'm very sad that I don't have no more scraps. So take it from me, boo, I can help y'all do some cute projects. As I was looking for projects, I tried to do different categories so that y'all didn't just have clothes or y'all didn't just have accessories. So it's a little bit of everything. It's a little bit of home decor, clothing pieces, and accessories and stuff. It's a little bit of something for everybody. So we'll just go ahead and start off with clothing pieces. If you have a decent amount of scrap yarn and you're into making clothes, I definitely suggest that you make these type of pants. These crochet scrap yarn pants. I'm gonna try not to talk too much about all of the pieces because it's a lot of pictures that I gotta do, so I'm not about to do all this talking. So y'all make y'all some pants. If you're not really into the pants, then you can make you some shorts. I've seen people do the long shorts. I've seen people do the little short shorts. Both are cute. And find a good stitch that you feel, you know, covered in. And girl, you got your cute little outfit. They have these crochet raglans. You could do whatever size. You could do it a little oversized. You could do it tight fitting. And I feel like this would be like a good staple or layer piece to have for my bolero girls. Fall is on the way. You can wear these in spring, summer, winter, fall. Girl, you can wear these. These things is seasonal. This one has the granny cluster stitch, but I could see it like with a treble crochet or something. I feel like that'd be cute. Since it's still summertime and summertime is slowly coming to an end, I feel like these little crochet tank tops will be real cute. Cardigans, the open cardigan, and then like the rib stitch is real tea. I really like this, and I'm definitely gonna have to make this as soon as I'm telling y'all, as soon as I accumulate more scraps, I'm making this. But I love a scrap cardigan moment. It's real cute. Don't be scared. Double strand that yarn. Give it a little more oomph. Like scrap yarn already be looking kind of random, so just to double the colors up, it make it even more tea, trust me. Y'all can make y'all a maxi skirt, and this is like if you have a whole lot of scraps and you have a lot of commitment. I feel like adding the different textured yarns and just the different colors and all that, I feel like that'll really come together and be real cutesy and real girl la. Then you don't even have to do a maxi. You could do a midi, you could do a short skirt. I feel like it'll be real cute, girl, I'm not gonna lie. For my next category, I'm gonna go hats. Hats are really like a real tea project to have. It's real quick and easy, especially if you don't have too many scraps. I feel like y'all should definitely make this scrap bucket hat. It's by Diamond Alexa. She has a pattern for it. I could do so many different color combinations. Add texture to all your scrap pieces. It really enhances it because you're already using like random colors. Add texture, add anything just to make it fun and unique. Diamond Alexa, she has a lot of good scrap yarn tutorials. Y'all definitely should make this baseball cap hat. If you got some extra ugly hats laying around and you want to cover them up and give them a little upcycle project for y'all. I've seen these beanies go viral on TikTok every winter. If you're looking for something that's gonna sell, make these beanies. Y'all can make slouchy beanies if you don't want to make the other type of beanie. I have a tutorial for a slouchy beanie. Cat beanies. I love a good scrap yarn cat beanie. So next category, we're going to do bags. Just a simple tote bag, like a simple little regular tote bag. Cute pouches are a real cute alternate, like a little cute thing for in your purse. I just posted a tutorial for crochet pouches. Girl, I'm sorry I keep saying everything cute, like everything really is cute. It's really tea. They have these little coin pouches. Now I'm about to just show y'all a bunch of random scrap projects y'all can make to use up a lot of y'all scraps, because I don't really know how to categorize them. I can make a laptop case. We'll cover a cover for y'all iPad, y'all Kindle. it's real easy, and you shouldn't really need a pattern or tutorial for it because you measure out what you already have at home. These cute little coffee cozies, if you drink hot coffee, cold coffee. I've made these before, and these is like my favorite little 1-2. I actually still use mine. I also seen these cute water bottle covers. If you don't have a lot of the same like colors, because I know a lot of people, they overthink their scrap yarn projects, this is the one for you, boo. I can also crochet some plant covers. Like if your plants have like these ugly pots, you can crochet like cute pot covers. That's some real good home decor. Instead of going by like a cute cover, you could keep the plant in the ugly one. And you can also wash them. I've also made some of these before, and they last a long time. Y'all can do a crochet rug. Y'all know I already made me a crochet rug. I'm not done with it, but I love my rug, and I still add to it. Every once in a while I'll go and add a row or two to it. Definitely make y'all a rug. It's like that's a good pickup project. And since we talking about pickup projects, while you at it, you can also go ahead and make you a blanket. You could do a granny square blanket, you could do a regular like double crochet blanket, or just whatever stitch you want. Make you a blanket. That's a good pickup project that you can work on effortlessly. Y'all can also make these little bins out of scrap yarn. Instead of buying bins for around your house, you just make these little ones, and you can make them as big or small as you want them, and you can put whatever you want in it. You can even put more yarn in it. It could be your yarn bin. Y'all can also make these cute little floor cushions. I just made one, and I know y'all seen the video because y'all like the video, and I like that video too. Like I'm sitting on it now. I love my floor cushion. And with y'all floor cushion, y'all can also use scraps that you have that you don't have too much of, that could be used as cushion, and just add extra stuff into it. You can also go ahead and make you some scrunchies. I feel like the scrap yarn scrunchies are real cute and different because you never know, you know, what colors you can use, and then you can always base your outfits around a specific color that's in the scrunchie. So I feel like that's like a fun little random little project that you could do. And last but not least, another thing y'all could do is these headphone covers. If y'all have some ugly headphones, or just some headphones you don't really use but you want to, you know, get in the habit of using them, if you crochet like a little thing around them and just make them cute, it might make you want to use them more. That's girl math. So you definitely should try that out. So this was just a few different scrap yarn project ideas for y'all to do. If I come up with more, I'm definitely gonna do a part 2 of this, because I'm always trying to do a scrap yarn project. I'm trying to do another one now. I don't even have no scraps. So I hope that y'all enjoy this. I don't want to talk too much because y'all, my voice probably aggravating y'all at this point because I'm getting aggravated. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all do any of these projects, make sure y'all send me a picture or just tell me you made it so I can go stalk you and find a picture of it. So I love you. And you know we go together what? Real bad. Kisses, kisses, kisses. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.